Vihelm assembly instructions. Step 1. Remove the tape protector on the visor. Attach the D-gasket to the already removed tape protector above. Step 2. Peel off the protective layer of the visor on both sides. Insert the visor into the facepiece frame by putting 3 nodes on the visor into 3 holes on the facepiece frame from left to right. Double check to make sure the nodes are firmly engaged. Step 3. Turn the head top upside down. Attach the facepiece frame to the head top. Align the slides of the facepiece frame and the head top. Use both hands to pull evenly until the 2 latches fit together. Check if the latches fit completely. Step 4. Place Vihelm upside down. Locate the center position of the glove cover on the facepiece shroud. Use your hand to press the edge of the L-gasket on the facepiece shroud at the determined position to the brace that attaches the L-gasket on the helmet frame. Then, press the entire edge of the gasket to fit the L-gasket on the hem of the hat from the center to the sides until finished. If while installing the L-gasket on the edge, there is an excess of 1 to 5 cm due to the user accidentally stretching the gasket during the installation process. To solve this, customers should gradually pull the gasket to the 2 sides so that the gasket is evenly spread on the edge. After assembling Vihelm,